Hey everybody, just thought I'd do a little video on my other rig here. It's a 94 Coachman Class B. It's got a 351 in it, and it's a little cold out today. It's about in the 30s, mid 30s, and I've got this little heater made by Lasco, 1500 watt, and it's going to see how well it heats this thing. Been doing a little renovating in here and changing some of the interior. Put some new seats in it. Changed the interior from green to gray. But thought I'd do a little time-lapse video. As we can see, it is about in the mid-30s right here. So, idea is I'm going to do a time-lapse and see how well this little heater works. I gotta go plug in the RV real quick. Alrighty. Got everything plugged in. And I'm just gonna leave the heater right here and put it on max, get everything going. And I'm gonna switch to time lapse so that we can keep an eye on what the temperature change is. Everybody, I don't know if you can see that. In about 30 minutes, we're up to about looks like 78 degrees. Of course, this is mounted, you know, higher than the floor, the hot air rises. But this little heater right here, that's one of the reasons I did away with all my propane. This little gets the job done. So anyway, just a good test. It will run off my Onan 2800 generator. So just wanted to share that with y'all, and you know, just kind of a review there. We're about to go on a trip. I just wanted to make sure it would do the job. And there's the model number. It's a 754200. Just in case anybody wants to know. And I think they're like $30 on Amazon. So anyway, can't beat it.